So it would be controlling two pairs of arms at a time?
Yes. Well, not two at a
Not
time.
at a time,
Just one?
independent of each other.
One, operator hits the next button, one. So if you press button 2 and 3 at the same time, they both go. Button 4 releases.
Or you could just have button
You know,
5 does
button
both.
5 pulls them both.
Yeah,
You know, there'd be a series of buttons that you would have to be able to do independent control.
which wouldn't be hard at all.
Angela?
You said it has electromagnets in the middle, in between the wheels.
Yes.
Would there be friction?
That's a piece that would have to be looked at. Looking at the website yesterday on electromagnets, for $50 you could get a 140-pound electromagnet, 2-inch diameter, 12 volts, 0.6 amps. So, 7 watt rated for 7 watts. So, we could turn around and look at, do we want the electromagnets to actually grab the pipe and hold the robot? Or do we want them to encourage the robot to stay on? Do you want them to be just off the pipe? I think we'd have to look at it and plan on
I
just
think
off the pipe.
if we have it should be easier to have it just off the pipe, because if we have the wheels designed the right way, all we have to do is create the right measurement,
Angle, yeah.
the right angle, and it can just ride right up.
Yeah. Now the other piece is the electromagnet would be connected to spike relays so that you could turn them on or off as you need.
And spikes just go on or off. There is no power fluctuations in a spike. So there's full on, full off.
So the spike relay would turn them on, the spike relay would turn them off.
Those are straight, right?
Up here, yes,
Yeah,
this would be spring loaded.
the whole block there is
So that
spring
you
loaded.
get to those outer pipes, then it goes over.
Would it be some magnets, like, decompress the spring if they're attracting?
Yeah, possible problem. Yes, I have thought that there could be a problem with the magnet here and the spring mechanism up there. But part of the question would be, what's this material?
The magnets are also under the spring, so it wouldn't decompress the spring. If the magnets were above the spring and fit on the chassis, then it would. But
Yeah.
with these just being on the wheels,
And if the housing is made of steel, there wouldn't be a problem anyway.
Did we get to your question? You had your hand up for a while. It was there.
Yeah, you did.
Out there. Okay.
So, how big would the electric field for that magnet be?
No clue.
Yeah, that's isn't it almost immeasurable?
This is, as we looked at these are not, by no means are any of these four, are what I call any of these four designs. There's still